The United Nations top court is holding a hearing to address accusations that Israel is committing genocide in Gaza.
South Africa is making the case against Israel at the International Court of Justice. Kelly O'Connell is following the story and the hearing for us from the Live Center. Kelly, good morning.
Good morning. Today is the first of 2 days. Preliminary hearing here in the Netherlands. The full case likely to take years to resolve. South Africa, as you mentioned, initially asking the court to order an immediate suspension of Israel's military force in the Gaza Strip. The court ultimately will need to decide if Israel is in breach of the 1948 convention drawn up in the aftermath of World War II and the Holocaust. South Africa argues that Israel is committing genocide with military operations that have killed more than 23,000 Palestinians, 1% of that population. Israel is strongly denying the accusations, saying it is defending itself after the October 7th attack left more than 1,000 people dead and more than 100 people were taken hostage.
We are also particularly mindful of Israel's institutionalized regime of discriminatory laws, policies and practices designed and maintained to establish domination, subjecting the Palestinian people to apartheid on both sides of the Green Line.
Now, this dispute strikes really at the heart of Israel's national identity as a Jewish state created after the Nazi genocide and the Holocaust. Also, though, involves South Africa's identity and its own history under the apartheid regime of white minority rule. Now, the U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken is signing with Israel on the matter, calling these allegations meritless. We'll continue to follow. Tom, Alex, back to you.